Good morning, students. Welcome to online classes. I hope you all are fantastic at your home. Be safe and be helpful to others. Today we are starting the abstract noun. In previous video we learned about the noun and kinds of noun. Kinds of noun, proper noun, common noun and collective noun. Today we learn about the abstract noun. An abstract noun is something you cannot, according to your five sense organs, like can't touch, can't see, can't hear, can't smell and can't taste. It means your five sense organs doesn't work for this. Like bravery, you can't see the bravery, you can't touch the bravery, you can't taste the bravery, you can't see the bravery, you can't hear the bravery. Only you can feel the bravery that the person is a brave or not. Health, you can feel the health. Freedom, you can only feel the freedom, you can't touch the freedom, you can't see the freedom, you can't hear the freedom. There is a definition of abstract nouns. Abstract nouns are ideas or a concept. Ideas or a concept. Things that you feel or a think about. What about? About the person, about the noun. It's mean this is the concept, things that you feel or a think about the person or a noun. First you have to circle the abstract noun in each sentence. Like, we need to think about the importance of friendship. We need to think. It is not a noun because it is not a name of the person, name of the place, name of the animal. It is not a noun. About the importance of friendship. Friendship, we can't see the friendship. We only feel the friendship. It's mean here friendship is abstract noun. You can see the love this father has for his son. Love, pyar. Love, we can only feel the love, not can see the love, not can hear the love. Only we can feel the love. That's opposite hate. Hate also an abstract noun. Bradley looked at the chocolate cake with greed in his eyes. Greed. Greed is a abstract noun. After Thanksgiving dinner, everyone patted their full stomach with satisfaction. 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 We can feel the satisfaction. That satisfaction is abstract noun. Her eyes were full of hope as she opened a report card. Hope. Hope means Asha. Hope is a abstract noun. We would like to see justice served. Justice means nyay. And the justice is abstract noun. My childhood memories are a source of great joy for me. Childhood memories are a source of great joy. क्या दे रही है? Joy मतलब happiness, and the happiness is the feeling thing only, not a touching, not a hearing, not a listening, only feeling. That feeling of a joy is called abstract noun. Now the second slide, I am providing some abstract nouns. You have to read it carefully and you can also learn in your mind. Stay in your mind like just a word like justice, bravery, happiness, fear, calm, belief, sorrow, coldness, childhood, clarity, stupidity. In short, now you can say the words which is ended with a y is also can an abstract noun except adverb. Now this is an activity slide. Activity 1, you have to write a definition that explains what an abstract noun is. In previous video, what we provided, there is a definition of an abstract noun in that video. It's mean you have to go through that video and write the definition in your practice copy. That is your activity 1. And now come to the activity 2. In each sentence below, identify an abstract noun. Here I was giving an example of an abstract noun. Here you also have to do abstract noun, identification of an abstract noun. Now come to the activity 3. Write a sentence for each abstract noun below. Love, brilliance, justice, पेन, होप, लव मीन्स प्यार, ब्रिलियंस, ब्रिलियंट से ब्रिलियंस बना हुआ है यानी बिल्कुल बुद्धिमत्ता, जस्टिस मीन्स न्याय, पेन दर्द, होप मीन्स आशा। Class, you have to do these activities in your practice copy in your homework. Thank you.